there are large number of duplicate records? Because the data is not normalized. I denormalize everything, I put into one table, one Excel sheet. Therefore, large number of duplicate records. The preferred model for Hyperion SD is a star schema. So we suggest our data modeler to convert this snowflake schema to star schema. So they simply denormalize these two dimensions into one common dimension. And this makes the job easy. Okay, now we'll talk about the operation on multidimensional database. There are various operations associated. We also call them as analytics, business intelligence analytics. The first is drill down and drill up. We also call this term summary and detailed view. Okay, summary detailed view from time dimension point of view, we need to build a hierarchy. In order to do this, we need to build hierarchy. Suppose my hierarchy is like this for time dimension: year, half year, quarter, and month. So my summary view would be, most summary view would be year, most detailed view would be month. So when you traverse from top to bottom, it's called drill down. Bottom to up, called drill up. Okay, so this is my cube, the one I shown you. From quarter, you want to go to detailed level of data. Each quarter sales you would like to see. This view talk about total sales for each quarter. I would like to see the total sales for each month under this quarter. So I am drill down and see each month detail. So year, quarter, and month. We are going top to bottom, called drill down. Year to month. Other way around, from various months, this is cumulative sales for all 3 months, which we present here with this cell. Cumulative sales for all 3 months. This is drill up. This is also shows the drill down for sales manager. Now I assume sales manager John has many reportees. Sales manager John, these people are working under sales manager John. Mac. These 4 people are working. So total revenue earned by sales manager John is a result of all these sales person. So this is total sales for New York would be result of all these people. So when you look from sales manager to sales executive, this would be drill down. This is my hierarchy. So every part of your analysis of the business, you do hierarchy building. That's one example. Drill down and drill up. So depends upon how you support drill down, drill up is absolutely depend upon how you design the hierarchy and how correctly you understand the requirement and build the hierarchy. Next is your slice and dice and pivot. Now look at the graph example of slice and dice. Okay, sorry, one more thing. Behind drill down and drill up is very expensive affair. For RDBMS, what happened for drill down and drill up? If I'm using RDBMS query and I would like to see the sales of 1 year sales, quarterly sales and monthly sales. When I look at the yearly sales, my query would be like this: sum of sales from when I apply group by on year. When I apply group on year, group by on year, all these values, in this example, the lowest level of granularity is date. We are capturing each date, every minute transaction. Each date, every minute transaction. So my 1 year sales will be sum of all the days, will sum these values. Where day, year is same, all are for 2001 year. So we sum all these values. So depends upon the volume of data the query will process. The more data we have, the slower the query performance. This would be yearly view. When I go down to next level and look at half year view, my query would change to, here I am displaying year, then I display half year, and my group by clause will be changed to year, first group by on year and then group by on half year. Then it become quarterly sales, again query will change. Year, half year and quarter. This query is very expensive. The query database have to pay a lot of strain to perform such query. So by just on your mouse click, this query will produce dynamically and fetch the data from RDBMS. If you are using RDBMS. And depends upon the volume of data, the value will accumulate. So hierarchy building is proportional, depends upon how fast it's processed, depends upon the volume of data you have. Naturally, if I consolidate 10 years data, where my lowest level of granularity is every minute. So minute you consolidate to days, days you consolidate to month, then quarter, then year, then 10 years. Very, very difficult, very time consuming and complex query to process. So this is a RDBMS view, but multidimensional database, data which you require is already available in pre-aggregated manner. This may be. So this is cumulative data available for quarter 1. There would be data may be already available in aggregated manner. Let's imagine this. This is my data. So if I need quarter data, it is already available in aggregated manner. If I need yearly data, it is already available in aggregated manner. So time required to process the query to aggregate the data can be saved. However, in RDBMS also we have some techniques like aggregate tables, materialized views. I am not falling into that discussion. And then we have an option for slice and dice. Slice and dice is like you look the cube from different aspects. Like in this example, there are 3 distribution channels: direct sales, retail sales and special sales. So we want to cut the cube and compare these 3 sections. Slicing and dicing are another mechanism of comparing your business data. We also use a term called pivoting. Pivoting is called rotate. Now the same cube you can see from different angle. By rotating a cube, you can see the same thing in a different angle. So in this example, my product is at column dimension. I could put this product from column dimension to row dimension, and this says product X. So previously it was in column dimension, then I put into row dimension. For you, it doesn't make any difference, right? But for the business, it makes a difference. Everything is a number for us. We don't have a feeling for the numbers. We are technical developers. For the business user, there is a meaning. When they rotate the cube, they put the data into different intersection and figure out, understand how the business is working. What are the strong area where they need to focus and all these things. Okay, so these are all operations, and this is how we organize the information in a star schema and a snowflake. Okay, if you have any question in this, you can ask me. I'll take another small 5-minute discussion about the traditional data warehousing architecture. What is data warehousing? What is the basic architecture of it? What are the various terms? I've discussed these things into my my recorded session, the fundamental of data warehouse. Here I'm going to highlight that where does all hyper product suite fit into picture in an enterprise data warehouse.